asuntoskeittiösäästö Matti. Iivisniemenkatu 4 or 2 in Iivisniemi, Espoo. Staircase C.
I tried it with you. I failed it before. But I can take pictures.
In 1969, 87
And it was finished in late 1969.
Yeah. Reaper saw 240 kilograms. Displayed by Kone, maintained by Finland.
Yeah. I love the sounds. That's made it here.
The same here.
And one thing I forgot to mention, maybe I've noticed that for the viewers also, but staircase A, there's a stair inside the staircase between the two lowest floors.
Yeah.
But here in B and C, there are no stairs between them.
Yeah, it's strange.
It's really strange. But they built the stairs outside also.
Yeah.
So if needed, but I think it's both a planning issue and a budget issue.
Yeah.
Normally you wouldn't build it like this, like the elevator.
Yeah.
So only elevator for the two lowest floors.
Yeah.
So probably. For me, it's only the staircase, the left roof, yeah.
Yeah. That's